Welcome back to Cancer's 101. I'm Rittika, neuroscience graduate, and your guide into the molecular mischiefs of cancer. Today, we are zooming into what I like to call the cellular chaos of tumors. From cancer stem cells to the microenvironment they manipulate. And as always, I'm joined by Aditi Dubey, who makes complex topic feel almost simple. Hey Aditi.
Hi Ritika, excited to dive into one of the most dynamic and frankly speaking, dangerous aspects of cancer, how it thrives through cellular shape shifting and environmental takeover.
Let's start with cancer stem cells. In normal biology, stem cells are helpful, they regenerate tissue. But in cancer, a small group of these stem like cells are master architects. They self renew, start tumors, and worse, they survive most therapies. So, Aditi, what makes these cells so untouchable?
Great question. Cancer stem cells divide slowly, making them less affected by chemo. They can lie dormant and have enhanced DNA repair systems. Even if we wipe out most of a tumor, if these cells remain, they rebuild. Think of them as the immortal seed at the heart of the disease.
So, even when treatments kill the bulk of the tumor, stem like cells remain and can even be reborn. That brings us to cellular plasticity. Some cancer cells can actually reverse their specialization and become stem like again. It's like hitting the undo button on differentiation. Aditi, how does this shape shifting ability help cancer evade treatment?
Plasticity lets cell adapt under stress. A great example is the epithelial to mesenchymal transition, or EMT. Cells lose adhesion, become mobile, and slip away, key for invasion and metastasis. And after treatment, some cancer cells can reprogram into more resistant states.
So we have stem like invaders and shapeshifters. Now let's talk about the neighborhood that enables them, the tumor microenvironment. It includes immune cells, fibroblasts, blood vessels, and it's not just a passive backdrop. One critical function here is tissue adhesion. When molecules like E-cadherin get downregulated, cells loosen and break away. Integrins help them interact with and reshape their surroundings. Aditi, what does this all mean for how tumors grow and spread?
It means the microenvironment actively promotes invasion. Fibroblasts remodel the extracellular matrix. Immune cells like macrophages get reprogrammed to support tumor growth. Even blood vessels adapt to feed the tumor. It's like the whole ecosystem has been hijacked.
To sum up, cancer stem cells drive growth and relapse. Plasticity lets cancer reinvent itself, and the microenvironment creates a safe haven. These three forces make cancer resilient, smarter than we'd like. But science is catching up. There are therapies now targeting cancer stem cell pathways, drugs that block EMT, and even immune therapies that try to reprogram the microenvironment. Aditi, what's the most exciting to you in this space right now?
Definitely combination therapies, like using chemo with Notch or Hedgehog inhibitors to knock out both bulk tumor cells and the stem like ones. And then there is the promise of immune checkpoint inhibitors, turning the immune system back on inside the tumor's ecosystem.
And that's our deep dive into the cellular chaos of cancer. From rogue stem cells to hijacked tissue dynamics, it's a masterclass in survival. Thanks, Aditi, for another fascinating session.
Always a pleasure, Ritika. This feels evolving fast, and so is our understanding.
Thanks for tuning in to Cancer 101. If you like this episode, follow us and share it with your fellow bio nerds. Until next time, stay curious, stay critical.